I ain't here for the money, I ain't here for the fame. Though it might be nice to own a jet plane, I'ma do it all for you.
How's everybody doing today? Welcome to the channel. I'm Rebuilder Guy. This is a Honda Civic Type R that's been wrecked, and I'm in the process of repairing her. This is video number 2. If you want to see number 1, it's going to be on the top right hand corner. I missed a week because I was in the middle of another project. Here's a picture. If you want to know more about it, comment Big Bertha below. So today we are going to work on this nasty fender, figure out why that rotor cracked. And look at that rim. I think took a nice little hit. We're also going to work on the airbags, and I think that should be it. We're going to pull it out and take off that headlight, that bumper. Got the bad pieces off, damaged, good for nothing. That headlight's gonna be a pain in the butt, but I might just know of a place. We'll see. This rotor here, completely cracked in half. I guess that Brembo overpowered that OEM rotor. The frame rails here look really well. Just a little love tap here, not too much. Looks very good. Here, a mounting point for the fender, not a big problem. Looks really good. This strut looks to be bent. That's what caused this tie rod to crack or snap into two pieces. But other than that, pretty simple, pretty simple. All right, before we jump into the interior, I wanted to show you guys something. The hood scoop is actually kind of sort of functional. It doesn't cool anything, it just diverts the air into the fender here. Let's see if you can see my fingers. Well, it goes into this grill here. So I guess aero, still kind of rice. All right, on the inside, we're gonna start with the airbag. Now look, got nice and cleaned. This interior is so beautiful.
We got that off. It's a little bit burnt here in the back, so we're gonna get a new one and possibly resolder new wires. Here they are. But everything else looks fine. Next thing's next. Let's get this out the way.
Alright, the seat is out. That's how it rips when the airbag deploys. Not too bad. The Recaros are definitely easier to repair than this, but we'll get it. Alright, let's take off this cover. That's what a torn apart Type R seat looks like. Look how fancy those arches are. Joke. We need to get a new airbag, and we need to take this to one of our friends to get sewed up. Ran into a bit of an issue. I thought the dashboard was going to be in two pieces. It's not. It's all complete. And I'm going to wait until I get a replacement before I start yanking this one out, so I don't miss any clips or bolts. I've got the seat belts off. Let's see. Then I'm going to pull the control module for the airbags off camera. I got wind of a shop here in town that has a Type R with a whole bunch of the parts that I need, so let's go check them out. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Yeah, I know. We're gonna take the Ford Focus RS. The BRZ is still getting some work done. The Ford Focus RS is still for sale. If you have any questions about it, send me an email. If you wanna see the whole rebuild process, link is in the top right-hand corner. Let's go. Finding parts for a new car is really difficult, so I'm thankful for shops like these. This is called Austin Imports. They're located in San Marcos, Texas, right on I-35. If you guys could, go give them a like on Facebook. So hopefully they'll be nicer to me next time on another deal. This is something that they work on. There's also a race car. I'll include a picture, but looks pretty sweet. Let's go inside and see what they got for me. Sweet. Parts are ready for me. These are only some of them. I'm gonna be coming later on in the week because they said they couldn't pull them quick enough. So, sweet, look at that driver's side airbag. I guess they do parts and service here, mostly for Volkswagens. But yeah. Nice little brake area here. All right, guys. So if you guys could please help me out, go to Facebook, hit like on their page, tell them that Ute or that Caddy that they got outside looks really good. I would definitely appreciate it because people like this make my job a whole lot easier. Just got back to the shop, gonna unload these goodies. But before I do that, I wanted to say thank you for watching, guys. Thank you for the likes. Thank you for the comments. I appreciate them. If you could share this video and this series, I would appreciate it. The wife says if I get to 10,000 subscribers, I get a new camera. You know what that means. Y'all guys get better video quality. Update on the SRT. I got parts from DCR, 5-layer head gasket, all the good stuff. So hopefully in the upcoming weeks, we're gonna do that. I have multiple projects that I'm working on simultaneously for the shop and for YouTube. So bear with me. We will get to them as soon as I can. And I appreciate it, guys. Y'all have a good one.